Hello everyone, I'm Neverdot. Welcome to my channel. It is week 23 of this weekly comic that I'm trying to keep weekly as best I can. And this week we have a discovery by the turtles. The turtle family has invested in a huge apparatus, which is basically an anti-gravity device, but it's sort of the on-off type. So experience gravity, don't experience gravity. Experience gravity, don't experience gravity. It's kind of an up and down thing. Someone's flicking the light up and it's, I don't know. It doesn't work. It's 50% of the time anti-gravity, 50% of the time full gravity. So, called a trampoline. You guys can all get one if they're not all sold out, which they probably are because pandemic and all that. I highly recommend it in the winter. I don't know why. There's no good reason why you would jump on a trampoline. Probably because the goats. Goats tend to cluster on trampolines in the winter, I think. I don't know. Somebody didn't tell me that, so it's probably true. Today, the turtle, Daddy Turtle, is introducing Baby Turtle to the trampoline. And he's never jumped on a trampoline before, so he doesn't understand what it's all about. And the key concept here, everybody, you with me? Okay, I'm not moving too fast for you. So the key idea here is Baby Turtle is going to be learning how to jump. Engage. Jumping is really just trying to go to the sky and failing. Gravity wins. If you try to catch the sky and gravity wins, then you've jumped. If you win, then you're flying. And if gravity only wins and you don't do anything, you're sleeping, I guess. So Baby Turtle is now, after 3 panels, he is incredibly competent at jumping, and he considers himself an ultimate master, and there's no possible improvement that can be gained by further jumping. So he's seeing one of those, the bugs, the long-legged bugs, grasshoppers. They don't know how to jump. They clearly do not. So Baby Turtle's gonna have to teach them. And he considers him a sage in the art. And so he's gonna be like, Baby Turtle, I'm a baby turtle. No, sorry. Grasshopper, you clearly don't know how to do what I am doing, which is jumping really high. How would you like to feel the rush of wind through your, none of them have hair, through your skin? Grasshoppers don't technically have skin either. Whatever. It's great. You go down, you go up again. How about that? I'm gonna change your world, Grasshopper. After this, all grasshoppers are gonna be known for their jumping because of Baby Turtle. If you happen to have seen a jumping grasshopper previous to this, that's probably something else, an imitation. It's a ripoff. So don't buy into that. These are the original grasshoppers right here, right now, instructed by Shifu, whatever, grasshopper jumper guy. Baby Turtle. I haven't got the color on those swirls quite nailed down yet. Whatever. It's different in every single comic because I don't have it in my palette. Or the original drawing. They weren't facing the camera, so now it's random every single time. Just like the underbelly ridges. But it's fine. Whatever. You guys aren't color sampling these, are you? Are you? Don't do it. That's not accurate. This is the first time I've used that texture brush in Krita. It works really well for the netting. I'm pleasantly surprised at it. I usually find those brushes not useful, and I would never think of any use for them. I don't like them. But apparently right now I really like them because it saved me having to draw a net, which would have looked really bad. Yeah, it worked really well. Good. You random brushes in Krita. So thank you. It is still fall, spring, whatever, the season that's not winter. It is still that time. We're going to throw in some trees in the background because nature. Again, it's a quick and dirty way to get a good background. Just draw some lines. Trees are not too picky. Throw in some trees. If you're just doing a silhouette, you get away with a lot of murder and nobody notices. It's like Among Us. With event. Yeah, so you don't even need a leaf brush. You can just go wiggle, 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 wiggle. It's good enough if it's all monochromatic. And that, in the background, you can figure out which turtle that is. Daddy Turtle's in the foreground. Somebody other turtle is in the background taking pictures of flowers and stuff because that's much more interesting than dealing with the trampoline. So whatever. That's an exercise for you guys to figure it out. Comment below who you think that turtle is. It's very difficult to figure out, and you're probably not going to be able to figure it out. Baby turtle is jumping here. I think I bailed on that attempt or crashed or something, having to redo it. So the swoopiness, I kind of like the jumpy swoops that I sometimes rarely do, but you just sort of get it behind the character. I didn't do these as separate layers, so I can't easily put the turtle in front. I should have done that. I should have kept turtles and trampolines separate, but I didn't because I'm lazy. Anyways, just kind of erase the jumpy swoops, and then you're good. You're done. So that's this week's comic. I hope you guys enjoy watching the baby turtle jumping and learning that he's the master of the universe as far as trampoline and anti-gravity and 50% anti-gravity is concerned. If you have a 50% anti-gravity machine in your home or in your backyard, if you have it in your home, you probably don't have a functional ceiling, but if you do have it outside, then I encourage you to use it and improve your, what is it, the organ that beats the red juice in you. That will make it that is so much stronger, and you will be able to overcome your enemies. Unless your enemies are stronger than you, in which case I don't recommend you battling them, unless you have superpowers, maybe. Even then, it's better just to negotiate, like just work it out. Don't get in with the punching. I don't know why Superman's always punching people. It's not. You've got so many other abilities. Why go with the fist? I mean, your laser eyes probably gonna take people out much faster. So if you have laser eyes, be respectful, help people solder their glasses if they're broken, but don't laser their face. So see you guys next time. You're great. Bye.